Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to earn $2.50 every minute you listen to music. It is a perfect way to earn revenue without doing extra work. It is free and available worldwide. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to follow along until the end of the video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. I'll now show you the first page. The first app you'll want to use is Current. As you can see, you will be rewarded for occasionally playing music. Keep watching as I illustrate how to accomplish this in real life, including how to play a song, what music to play, and extra money-making tips. Make sure you don't forget anything important. You'll see on their main website, current.us, that I want to earn while I'm running, or while you're working, or whatever you're doing, and you can still listen to music in the background, and then bang, you're making a profit. As you can see, this program is now available in both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. To demonstrate, below is the application logo. Make sure you download and receive the precise ones in order to earn money. For iOS, this is now available on Google Play and the App Store. The same app is available for iPhone users as well. You can now listen to music whether or not you are connected to the internet. This is especially advantageous because you do not have to pay anything to utilize this app. The service is entirely free, and you can earn points by listening to music you like, which you can then redeem for cash. Now that you've downloaded a YouTube Music Radio app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, you'll be able to listen to music on YouTube. When you log into your account, you'll see something similar to this. Now, keep your eyes on the prize and don't miss anything because this is just one of many ways to get money while performing music that can help you pay your bills. I'll also offer tips on how to triple your income. This is now a YouTube music homepage with a lot of music playlists and artists to choose from, as well as a lot of recommended songs, as you can see if you scroll down. By merging YouTube music with your current website, you can make money on autopilot, and I'll show you how to do it right now. I'd want to give you a personal example. This is one of the playlists that is entirely for the purpose of allowing me to hear these songs. If you notice, there is a lot of music queued up, and I can add it to these playlists, and once this music, for example, these ones, has finished playing, you can automatically move on to the next music, and so on. And they'll play all of the music right here, and you'll be paid for each and every song. If I drag this mouse over this icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, I can turn on the rewind button, which means that once this playlist has done playing from the first to the final song, it will automatically jump to the next song and you can make money again. First, I'll let you in on a little secret. Make sure you have as much music queued as possible. In this approach, you will be able to generate an increasing amount of money. The second essential is to have a look at the homepage's hot list. You'll be directed to a website with more high-resolution and suggested videos, as well as new music videos to view. When you click on the hot list, all you have to do now is go to the Google Play Store and download the software, or go to the App Store and get the Current Rewards offline music app if you're using an iPhone. I have 3 music players playing at the top of the list, as you can see. What is the most popular playlist, then the second most popular playlist, and last, the third most popular playlist. Right here is where the magic happens over and over again. This is yet another suggestion that I will make. It's the reality that you can make money by repeatedly opening tabs or listening to music. So, once again, I'd like to provide you with a few quick keys that can assist you in making even more money right now. As you can see, I'm listening to 3 different music players at the moment. To generate money, you might open a lot of tabs or listen to music, but how can you make money from that? But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Begin by looking for music that is at least an hour long on YouTube. This is 1 hour since the longer the song is, the more music you can play, and hence the more money you can earn. So for the time being, I'd like to make another suggestion. Click the settings button when you're ready. Because the default pace is normal, you want to boost the speed by a factor of 2 when I click here. If you double right click here and double the speed, you'll see that your playback speed is 2. This indicates that the song can be played twice as fast as usual. If you listen to more music, you will earn more money. Here's something else that's not widely known. If you have a slow internet connection or a lot of people sharing the internet or Wi-Fi, you should definitely set the quality to 144 pixels to avoid consuming too much data. Many tabs still allow you to listen to music in this manner. I'll show you how to use this fantastic Chrome extension. You may now use Google Chrome to download YouTube Playback Speed Control, which you can see here, to your computer or smartphone. It is completely free, which explains why it has tens of thousands of users. Reduce the speed of the game by pressing the decrease button. If you download the Google Chrome browser, you can use it at 3 times the speed on your phone. Isn't it fantastic? As you can see, the maximum speed on YouTube is up to 2 times the regular 1.25 by 5.75, up to 2 times the maximum speed. But with these Google Chrome extensions, you can play at 3 times the speed or triple the speed. When you download the extension, you'll be able to make a lot more money because you'll be able to play music on YouTube and Facebook much faster. And now that we're nearing the end of the video, I'd want to offer you some further advice. All you have to do now is go to Google Play Store and download the software, or if you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store and get their Current Rewards offline music app. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to earn $2.50 every minute you listen to music. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.